Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, presenting you advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis from the land of the rising sun. If this is the first time you are watching my video, it will be good for you to like, to share with your friends, subscribe. You also find at the bio the links to my YouTube channel. Sorry, to my Telegram channel is free. There at my Telegram channel, we share 3 setups, and you will regret joining. It's free for everybody. Then if you need mentorship, if you like the way I analyze and trade, you contact me. My number is at the bio. You can equally see it here. This very number, you can see here. This number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. You contact me, and I'll add you to the Students to a VIP channel. There you will get everything we do. Imagine getting this type of move, though it takes time to complete, but this is 8,000 pips and so on. Sorry, 800 pips. So it's a lot of movement. Some of these things we share it free on a Telegram channel, but to get everything, every day set up, join my VIP. Okay, so let's start with DSY as we do always. DSY, we catch all this move, and it is still dropping. This daily chart is still dropping. We expect it to go a bit higher and continue selling. So DSY is selling. It's either it's reversed from this place or okay, let me go to 1 hour. This is what I expect to happen on DXY. I expect an ABC before it will go down again. And if you take a look, you can see we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. A typical of a kind of diagonal, maybe. Then that is A, that is B, that's what I expected to happen before the next sell. The selling is not yet over. Okay. So I recommend this sell, not this buy. Unless you are a scalper, you can go for that. USD card, the same situation. I will show you daily on almost all the charts for today. I will show you daily. You can see a USD card, though not as impulsive as DXY. Okay, so it's like an ABC. In any case, a further drop is expected because this is our reversal zone. Our reversal zone hardly fails. All the reversal zone you see me put on a chart, 90% of them or more, we always drop to that place. So the reversal zone is still far from what we expect. So going down to 4 hours, I can tell you we are going to sell from this place. I don't know if we can get a move higher, but as the market develops, we follow. Right now, I only expect it to drop from here, or maybe something like this might happen, kind of A, B, C. Then another move before this ultimate move. Whichever one will happen, when market begin to move, how we know? Well, when market begin to move, from the market of for the movement of the market, I will know the one that will happen, whether it will be this drop or this. So let's allow market to start first. USDHF, another wonder to behold. I can remember many months ago, I said from this zone, expect a new low. Imagine getting all this drop. The new low is not here. So USD will certainly break this trend line and go lower. But it have to rest for the one it has moved already. It means it's gonna buy. I don't know how high it will buy, but it will buy and eventually drops again. So you keep following me week by week, and I will know, I will advise you what I can see will happen. So I also see it giving me an ABC, a kind of A, B, C before dropping. So the selling is what I am interested in right now. Though if I see a nice buy setup, I can buy from here, depending on the type of setup I see. Okay, let's move. Euro USD, another wonder to behold. I will show you daily on almost all the charts. We saw all these and we catch most of them. This drop, we saw it, I posted it. If you didn't catch it, maybe you are not following. This move again, I saw it, I posted it free of charge. So join our Telegram channel. Now, what next is the question. The next is that wave C is not yet over. So the buying will continue after some corrections downward. Right now, going back to 1 hour chart, you can see that the correction is already happening. So the question now is, this is just a single zigzag move. There can be an A, B, C, B, C. Then it will go high again. Or it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave A. Then a kind of A, B, C, wave B, wave C before buying. I will prefer this because buying from here will give me more money. But you know, the market doesn't know what to prefer or what don't prefer. Market will do what it wants to do. So it needs a scale and discipline to follow it. If this will happen, how will you know? If this will happen, how will you know? So that's what knowledge gives you. Okay, so whichever one, if it is this, I will trade this. If it is this, I will trade it. Because I will follow it every day. The sign will always be there. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, let me go to daily. Pounds USD on daily, we catch all this. We catch all this. The next move is this before this. What I don't really like is the sharp move down on pounds USD. I maybe it will just drop not as low as this, maybe somewhere below this place, then go back up. So let me go to 4 hours. Now, this is what I expect to happen on pounds USD. A move higher to give me an ABC because it looks like an ABC. It looks like an ABC. This is wave A. This is wave B starting and wave C will drop. Or let me go further lower, further to 1 hour time frame. Okay. So calling this ABC is not out of place. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then A, B, C, wave B, another drop. So hopefully this price will come to this zone before selling again. To buy this, I won't like it. But if you're a scalper, you go down to 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and find buy. Okay, sometimes I scalp, but I'm a swing trader. AUD USD. AUD USD performed below expectation. Remember, when we are expecting Euro USD, Pound USD to give us a big move, you can see it. I don't hide anything. I don't claim to be perfect. I don't claim to win everything, but I will tell you what I expect. One thing that is good about me is that no matter what I expect to happen, I will open a trade based on expectation. I only open trade when I see setup, a kind of confirmation. That's why when I open trades, when I see setup, in as much that I expected this to happen, I don't really see the setup that will give me this. So as pounds USD, Euro USD is going higher. AUD USD and New Zealand USD are not doing that. So they may still do it, but they may go lower. So for now, the selling is what I would like to sell. Maybe from this place, it will now begin to go up. But for going up, it will certainly go up. It will. But when setup comes, I will show you. For now, no setup for such big move. Rather, the selling continues. It depends on how the market will correct, the degree of the correction. What will determine what happens next? Maybe we will likely come to this zone, or even to this zone. I don't know. So this zone will be, if market comes to this place and goes back, it will be a single zigzag. But if it will make a double zigzag, it will do something like this, something like this, something like this before dropping. So selling is what I will be looking for on AUD USD. New Zealand USD, the same thing, you can see the same structure, the same type of move. So looking for sell on New Zealand and AUD. Okay, that's for both of them. JP225, leave it for now. JPY, I will see you daily, show you daily again. JPY, I expect this to happen, this move and this big move. I expect them to happen. Nothing have changed on that. The big move doesn't validate it. So now you can see this like an ABC, and our reversal zone. I want to talk about our reversal zone. It hardly fell. So let me show you 4 hours. It's got to our reversal zone and is now going up. So likely it will get to this very upper target again, and another reversal zone. It will get here and then go down. So don't miss the trade. Right now is buy. We have seen all the reasons to buy. It's left for you to find your entry, or if you are with me on the VIP channel, I will assure you of the entry. On Telegram channel, the free one, I post some. I don't post all. Yeah, that's the difference. USD JPY is trying to make 5 waves move before it will buy. And clearly, we have seen a kind of wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So expect little move up, a move down below this place before we look for buy. Pounds USD. Pounds USD is equaling, trying to give us 5 waves down. A kind of wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, maybe 4 and 5 before it will begin to buy. Okay, so that's for pounds USD. Let me show you daily. So on daily chart, I'm equally expecting it to give me a move high, just like how it was, how it is on Euro JPY. So this move is still expected before the big move down. The big move down will surely happen. But the question is, will you catch it? Because it can move so fast, as you can see this one, it can be so fast, before you know it, it is gone. So will you catch it? That's the question. I mean, this type of sharp move will surely happen again. Will you catch it? That's the question. You want to catch it, you join me. Most of them, we catch them. So we don't catch all of them, but we catch most of them. Gold. Gold, sometimes, I've said it before, you will see correction moving like an impulse. Impulse moving like a correction. So now, gold has made a drop, and the drop is at our reversal zone. The question is it the whole correction, or will it make a double? What I mean by double is this. Will it make a double, like giving us a move, another move before moving higher? Will we do that, or will we just go up from here? I don't know. But I know that we have gotten 3 moves already, A, B, C, like. So maybe we have another move down before going up. Okay, the bullish move has not ended. That's one thing you have to know about gold. Silver. Silver, I miss this big drop. I miss this big drop. I don't know what happened. My stop loss closed with just few pips. And I wasn't with silver. I was watching when the drop began. I would have entered when it broke this low. But no problem. You don't catch everything. When you target 5 trades and catch 4, even 3, you are good to go. Okay, so now what next? Silver is still going down. It's sure it's still going down. So until it will give us a move up, it will give us a move up. I don't know how it will be, something like this. Then it will sell again. So let's keep watching. Platinum, I said I will leave it for now. I said I will leave it for now. You can see our reversal zone, we always reverse. All this big move from here is a big move. So this down move is expected. Okay, so right now, I expect it to come back to this zone and sell again. So until then, let's keep watching. US oil. Oil, I keep telling you in all my videos that oil will go below 60. That's the power of reading the chart. When you can read the chart, you can say what will happen even next year. if I have time, I will be showing you charts of oil from 18 months ago, 6 months ago, 5 months ago, and they are all going almost exactly as I predicted. So all these things happening in oil, I watch my old videos. I said that oil is going below 60 or even below 50. So there was a weekly chart I showed my students about oil. Okay, this is the chart. That here is the next target for oil, around 54, 49. So it can still happen, though the chart, there is a little change on that, but oil is still going down. So look for sell on oil. Look for sell after this big drop. Mind you, whenever we have a big drop like this, the market will take time to correct. Don't expect it to do something like this. Something like this. Don't think it will just do something like this under 2 days and go down again. No, it can do something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this. That is a kind of WXY or even WXYXZ before selling. So mind you, corrections takes time. This is an impulse and this correction. It takes time to complete. Bear that in mind. So don't look for selling next morning. No. I have to end this video. There's somewhere I want to go because I have said what is important. This drop is expected. This is our reversal zone. What next? I expect it to give me another selling. So a kind of move like this, another move down. Remember, for a long time, it has been going up, 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 up. So now it is beginning to correct. It will correct very deep. So don't think it's beginning to buy again. I don't think it will happen again until I see what will show me that it will buy. Okay, that's for US 100, SP 500. The same thing. I'm looking for it. Okay, this is my reversal zone on SP 500. The reversal zone, at least the market will come to the reversal zone. From there, I will know whether it will reverse at the reversal zone or whether it will do this and do this, or whether it will just do this and continue going up. By then, I will know. But go to 1 hour, 4 hours, look for your entry. US30, they are all the same thing. US30 is, I will change this. This is not my real reversal zone. It will be something like this. Let me know where it is. Okay, it is equally hit my reversal zone. So it is equally on my reversal zone, okay? So now, what next? Maybe something like this, another move down, okay? But if it will go up from here, I will know. Right now, I'm waiting for buy setup because it will definitely buy before it will sell again, okay? That's for US30. DAX 40, the same thing, a big drop. Another drop is coming. This at our reversal zone is beginning to drop. Another drop is coming. It will go up something like this and drop again. For Dow Jones. So this one, okay, you can see this one. I was wrong here. What I mean by that I was wrong? I know it will drop, but I expected it to do something. This is what I posted on my channel, that it will give us a move like this before dropping. Maybe because of the news, it couldn't give us something like that. So we are not perfect. We don't get all, but most of them we get it. Meanwhile, I don't cover it with the public anyway. So no this talking about it because I don't cover it on my analysis. So let me go to Bitcoin and I will conclude. Bitcoin, the commander-in-chief of all the cryptocurrencies, commander-in-chief of all the cryptos, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing a complex correction, something complex. So you need to be careful. Bitcoin, remember, I've been saying it that I would like to see Bitcoin below this zone. If it comes below this zone, there'll be a problem. We may not go up again. So mind you, now you may ask what's next about our Bitcoin. The next is that I'm looking for buy setup. Now this is at 8,536. If Bitcoin closes above this place, then I will have the confidence to buy Bitcoin. But right now, I will be watching it. Even if I will buy or sell, it will be a kind of scalping. Okay, so this is 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, this can be something like this. That's what it is trying to do, ABC. So if this is what it's trying to do, sometimes we truncate on the target. It won't get there, it will go up. Sometimes we think that it will have truncated. It will end up doing something like this, dropping again before buying. So what I'm trying to say, if Bitcoin drops to this place, I will buy without fear. If you drop to this place, I will buy without fear. But if it keeps going up from here, I will not buy until it closes above this place or until I see something that will make me buy. Right now, I don't see anything that will make me buy right now. So I don't know how to explain to you. When you get trained, you need to understand whatever I'm saying. So Bitcoin will likely drop again, maybe towards 80,000, something like this, before it will buy again. Then if you start to go and break this low of 76,500, I'll stop looking for buy. It doesn't mean it cannot buy again if it breaks it. But from my own calculation, this looks like leading diagonal to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then ABC. Then it will buy again. I think I have tried to explain to you the much I think is good for you to understand. For those who know wave analysis, or those who know technical analysis, not only if you know technical analysis on trading, you will be catching what I'm trying to say. So that's for Bitcoin, and that's the end of our video. Like, share, subscribe, make a comment. We like it. Join our YouTube subscribe our YouTube channel. Join our Telegram. Join our Instagram. Join our TikTok and all of them. Our X. Thank you for watching.